everything that's born dies. But today we understand enough about biological processes that we can potentially restore. We're doing this ever since Dolly the sheep, we've been cloning animals, not so different than ourselves. And so it's a service today if you want to clone your dog or your cat or your horse or your camel. Death is finite for the individual, but reusing a biological program and essentially restoring from a backup is becoming technically feasible. We'll push through that barrier just like we did with the first IVF babies, and we'll just realize cloning just produces another baby. Some of my favorite actors, scientists, and others passed, family members. But I know that if I just had a few of their cells properly cryopreserved, then there's the potential to bring back a twin of them down the road. Because today we leave in our wake terabytes of information, photographs, videos, medical data, other things. So collect all that data and then bank money because, as we all know, a human life is expensive. You can have a twin brother or sister down the road and give them financial resources, informational resources, and biological resources that they wouldn't have if they were just a child and a typical offspring. I was just reading an article about the cloning of polo horses, and one particular cloned polo horse has the same capabilities as the original, and that just makes it like an amazing polo horse. So, and I've seen in Seoul, Korea, they're cloning drug sniffing dogs and finding that those clone dogs have similar abilities, to be very sensitive and very good at sniffing drugs. So we just don't know what it's going to be like for humans. So I'm not pushing to clone humans today. My belief is down the road in the future, whether it's 20, 30, 40, 50 years, I have no idea. But one day cloning won't be controversial.